This is a banana to eat. And there's another banana in this box for you to use. From London, apparently. It's a beautiful wooden box with a little thing. You can open it up.
Editor, censor that.
Okay. Okay. It's pretty thick. I don't want to sound weird, but you guys get out your dirty mind. This is a practical piece of thing you can have in a house. This one's a limited edition. This one apparently says 2 of 50 pieces. Beautiful here. Don't touch it like that. This product is a wall lamp. It must be used as a wall lamp only. What are you thinking? What else would you use with this lamp? This is not a sex toy. It's pretty obvious. It's a lamp. Please do not try to put it inside your body. They actually say that. You're not allowed to put this inside your body. Other people and animals, obviously.
Oh my god, it says that?
Yes, he does say, don't put, why would you? It could hurt and even kill someone. What? This product is insane and very dangerous. If you're watching this, make sure you read the guideline, okay? We don't want anyone get hurt. Let's take a look at this beautiful lamp. It's a lamp. Before I start touching this lamp, I need to make it verified by dbrand. Thanks dbrand for sponsoring this video. dbrand has a lot of stickers, you know, as you can see, the phone, iPad, MacBook, any stickers you want. You can customize this look or even this colorful, beautiful skin. Or even you could just pay $8 to verify anything, a penis lamp. So make sure you head over shortlinus.com to buy a lot of beautiful stickers and verify everything. Okay, sorry, you're telling me this is 10 inch long. Is it long enough? I don't know, for a lamp, I think it's long enough. Let me touch it. Why am I excited? Okay, calm down. Sorry, cut. Let's be professional. This is a lamp. Oh. First, I notice it's thick. And it's 10 inches long. How thick it is? 2.5 inches. I can't even control one hand. Don't put it in my mouth. Like, I can't even control it with one hand. The material they use is very smooth. Like silky. If you put it next to your bed before bed, if you touch it, you feel more soothing, right? You want a good soft material. And this is the limited edition. So they have little diamond ring. Oh, look at the diamond ring thing on the penis ring. Beautiful. It's a lamp, sorry. Lamp. It's not a penis. Apparently this product is inspired by medieval torch and a part of human body, which symbolizes new birth. It's very meaningful. It's created by the artist in London. Anonymous artist, he sells a lot of different things on his website. Lamp, some art that costs hundreds of dollars. He also has different kind of style of lamp, with spiky thing and just very simple one, colorful one. And this one is a limited edition.
It's mesmerizing.
And it's cool. I mean, it's a cool piece at home. Like if someone come to a house, I would definitely bring them to my room and show them the penis, the lamp penis. There's a special way to turn it on and off. I'm gonna show you. So very simple, a lamp, easy to use. Woo. On the walls like that. How to turn it on? You do this. Do you see that? And you pull it back. Okay, this is a little long. So on, off, on, off, on.
You broke it.
On.
Dude, did you break the penis lamp?
Penis! Did I break it? No way.
Oh no, Dennis!
Penis!
It was too hard.
I didn't pull very hard.
You did.
Okay, so you can see, so it's basically a piece of this cloth and it has something attached to trigger the switch. So it literally just a little string, metal string attaching to the skin, no, the cloth. If you're getting too excited at nighttime before bed, just make sure you pour it slowly. Oh, be gentle. So that's it. Is it bright? It's pretty bright. Is it beautiful? Yeah, as you can see, it's like actually it's bright. It's pretty bright. I think it is like good for lamp, like a bedroom lamp. So on the website, it doesn't say what these diamonds are. Are they real? Are they fake?
They're not real.
They just kind of ring. It's a ring
Lamp.
lamp. Let's put it on the wall. They come with a little piece here, and then you just slide the lamp into the wall. Slide it in slowly. Oh. Come on. Is this 3D printed? It is 3D printed! This is so janky. It doesn't stay. Okay, I need help. I can't slide it in.
Listen, I can do this.
Help me slide it in. Do you want me to hold it for you and you can push harder? Oh, should you go from the other side? Oh. Oh, no, it doesn't stay. Unfortunately, this lamp, they don't fit. They don't fit the hole. They don't fit the thing. They cannot go onto the wall. So I guess you can 3M tape it if you bought this. Tape it on the wall, it looks like this. And then before bed, you just like, oh, good morning.
Hey, the lamp's getting old. It doesn't always work right. Okay,
What the f? This is so bad!
Can you hide it? Linus is gonna come and you can...
Lance gonna come?
Alright, hide it.
Lance, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Well, you can walk over to the set first.
Just come. Yeah, walk backward.
Walk backwards.
Okay, sit down. And then give.
Oh my god, what do you...
Put your right hand here. I want to give you something to hold on. Okay, you can look at it. This is a beautiful
It's a
lamp.
dick.
It's a lightsaber.
No, it's not a lightsaber.
It's a shorter version of lightsaber.
You broke it.
It's
not
supposed
circumcised.
it's supposed to turn on.
Well, I'm turned on.
Okay, come on, work.
Yeah, it's that little like bit of skin there. Sometimes it, you know.
Oh, stop! What are you talking about? Okay, we can turn.
Can you stop doing that to it?
Please,
What's
just
wrong
trying
with
to-
you?
Jerk it on.
Linus, how much do you think this costs?
How much would you pay for it?
I mean, nothing. Obviously, this
What do you
is.
think?
Even it's free?
What would I do with it?
Don't put it inside.
I could see this being like novelty $69.99 or whatever, like $70.
It cost $2,500 US. But
Please tell
it's
me I
on
did not pay
sale.
for it.
It's on sale for Black Friday.
Did I pay for this?
It's on sale.
Did I pay for this?
On Friday, okay, Black Friday sale.
50% off.
So it's 12.50.
It's $12.50.
And we broke it already.
Okay, I did not break it. It just didn't work.
Well, it didn't work.
Look at the playback. So on, off, on.
Editor, play it back and how it worked.
You screw. Wait, this is the cheapest. It's not even smart. We need a smart light bulb at least. You're paying that premium, right?
What the hell?
Lana, stop
It's just a
pulling.
little-
You're breaking the foreskin.
No, it's dead already. Is it just? It's this is seriously just some pantyhose over a 3D printed tube with a basic light socket from Home Depot and a wire attached to it so that it clicks when you pull the foreskin back for $1,000. This is a nice cord. It's a better cord than you'd get at a dollar store. This bracelet is probably from the dollar store though.
It's diamond.
No, it's not. Have you ever jerked off a penis before? Because that's not how it works.
Okay, I'm not jerking it off. I'm trying to turn it on.
Okay, well, that's not how that works either. Try your mouth.
Stop! This is gonna get demonetized.
Dennis, this was demonetized the second you unboxed this light. Okay, let's try to see it from their perspective. This is a small batch, artisanal product. It's very edgy, so you probably can't expect to sell a lot. You know, you gotta make up that in higher price for the few people who do want it, I guess.
Can I add something to this?
They got the accurate penis skin seam on the bottom here. Everyone has a seam along the bottom of their penis, right?
Did you say that this was $2,100?
25.
Oh my god.
So male.
So on AliExpress, I went ahead and searched caulk lamp.
There's
This
something.
is 10 times cheaper.
A real A real cock. A real cock with the light in the butthole. I would rather have that.
I'd rather
It's
have
so
that.
much better.
I'd rather have that for sure. Truthfully, not living in a bachelor pad, I just don't have anywhere to put it. I think it's hilarious.
If it's like $10, I'll buy it and put it in my room, and every time I have a guest over, I'll show them the penis.
Yeah.
Damn. Well,
See you later.
unfortunately, this penis lamp doesn't turn on or anyone on.
Well, I'm turned on.
If you are looking for a cool lamp to buy and you have spare money laying around and you support art, that's the most important thing. You support art. And this thing can be the thing you want to get. Where's the diamond? Did Linus steal a diamond?
He did.
He stole a diamond! Thanks for watching. I'm going to get the diamond ring back.
That sucks.
Oh yeah, I was like actually trying to steal. Oh!